Hello guys, this is Ray once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is WordPress development. Okay, so now WordPress development is a little bit advanced. Okay, so now for you to be a good WordPress developer, you need to know beyond managing the basic WordPress, setting up WordPress and all that. WordPress developers go as far as working on the core system of the WordPress software. Being that WordPress is an open source software that can be, rebuilt and reused in most of the way that supports the open source license. WordPress developers go as far as customizing WordPress to the extent that you might not even know that is WordPress. Bigger companies like CNN and all the big guys that have millions of traffic that powers their sites have been powered by WordPress go as far as getting these developers to do this. So one of the things you need to know as a WordPress developer is handling the core, understanding the core structure and being able to add new functionalities, new modules, and new security on the WordPress project you're handling. Okay, so that will require a strong knowledge of PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and MySQL. So, the second thing you need to know about being a WordPress core developer is understanding how to build themes, WordPress themes, how to build, manage WordPress themes, themes that you develop from scratch, from ground, and it's used on a WordPress site and it works. Then the third one is plugin. As a WordPress developer, you would know how to build WordPress plugins from scratch. Plugin that can add any new functionality to the WordPress content management system. And at the end of the day, you have a working project. You have a plugin that adds a new functionality, a new feature to the WordPress site that this plugin is being installed on. Okay, so now, if we want to split this into two, we're going to talk about a WordPress designer and a WordPress developer. So, what is WordPress development? WordPress development goes beyond the basic installing of WordPress without touching any code and all that. But you don't really need to get into that part if you just want to know how to use WordPress and build just about any kind of website without touching any code. Okay, because the plugins and the tools and the themes and all the things you need are already available for you. So that's what it is. That is what a WordPress development is. So guys, that'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.